Yo, I go on people, boy, one guy, Z. Yeah, man. I get some feedback and some news, you see me, like, cause who saw a video? I saw a video just since yesterday when a fat big breast woman a beat him picking it with a machete, you know? Till the dog get it to dog. If you know, say it's a hot lick. When the dog get the first lick, the dog couldn't even run, dog. So if you know, say I don't know, boy lick them there. Some big woman lick a little girl like it, you see me? So I'm get to confirm that police have the lady in custody right now. So you know what I go on, you see me? Cause some people say them up to where I go on with the woman that beat the lady, you see me? I scold the woman, I scold him, but I don't scold him, you know. I kill the lady, I try to kill him, you know, with them that lick there. You see them big old bumbucker. Excuse me language still. You see them lick the lady, I lick a kid, man. So yes, police have him in custody and that is a good look. So a lot of people are going to see. Say, and everything you want to see when you post my internet, you see me? And everything you want to see when you post my internet. So I want to see what will come out of this. Yeah, man. We glad to police bully, man. And if you don't like, say, police bully woman, you comment and let me know. And if you don't like that, you still comment and let me know. But yeah, police and the woman was beating a little kid yesterday. Watching our video. And that is a good look. So me I say people, and everything you wanna see, and everything you wanna do, and if you put on the internet. You see me? Yeah, man. Yes, police have the lady. Police have the machete lady. That mega call the lady. Yeah, man. Police have the machete lady. Yeah. So I'm out. You see me? Because I have to go work on now. So boom, just I make a quick video. So like and share and comment. Don't know.